Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we are building a storage cabinet, not a shed. We already have a shed. Watch that video if you want to see the shed. It's a storage cabinet. Now, one thing I gotta say is this is water resistant, plastic, all that kind of good stuff. But look at the color. This is very, very like white, off-white.
Yeah.
But the panels, they came yellow.
Yellow.
So I had to spend forever repainting them white. But we got them white and we're ready to rock.
Yes, and Ash, I'm here to help with your instructions because just like our Keto shed that we did in the past, we know that dreams work together when you work in twos.
Hello. All right, so before we started the show, we actually did a bit of prep. We got we had some concrete slabs, custom concrete. You get it from Bunnings. It was laying around the house, so we made the ground flattish. Yeah, that's probably good enough.
Ash, fantastic, good job. Well, step number one is that we need to get all of our hardware ready and lined up because the very first step is to make sure you got all the pieces required, and then we're going to be using drill drivers, hammers, the whole shebang. Well, actually don't do that first. The first thing you do is deal with the side panels first. So we're going to do this in nice order, okay? So I want you to get the rear of the panel and we're going to put a piece of metal through it. So next up, you want to be putting FEJ, which is this one over here, you get two of those, into your side panels. Okay, so now that you've secured it in, we need to now pop one of these clamps on the end so that it doesn't fall out. So just pop that on the end like so. Perfect. So now we just got to prepare the floor panel for you now, which you have got already, and we're going to slide this on. Really important, when you do put it in, make this all flat, put the back slide in first, and essentially you've got like a big hole and a small hole. Plonk it in and then slide the whole unit towards the back and then tilt it whole thing backwards and then just fold in the side panels and then slot it in, and you should have your side panel as we do have it. Let's do it on the next one. Oh yeah, that's easy. Now slide it, that's it. Now pull it backwards towards you. Bend it over, a bit more backwards if you can. Now plonk it down a little bit, slowly keep going. Yep. We are in. So what's next is that we need to now assemble the back panels, and these just slip and slide in, and then you secure them with the screws that are given.
So just line up the holes.
Good job, but I've got some news for you. You've now got to flip it on its back and screw it from the bottom up.
What?
Yeah.
Timber! Yo, now I want you to just read the instructions and let me know if I need to be moving this back or leaving this here or doing a backflip and twisting around, okay?
Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm just kidding, that's the roof. Ha ha ha. No, but what we have to do now, as far as I'm aware, is lift it back up and do the front panels, and then we're going to do the roof. And it doesn't look like flipping forward in the instructions that you have to bend it over anymore.
So can I put it back in position and work from there?
You can.
All right, next up we're going to make it even stronger by putting this little bit of big steel and just line it up with a hole.
All right, now it's time to do the roof. Woo woo! To do the roof, you got to get this bad boy, put him on the floor, and then assemble the roof.
What?
Uh-huh. Just kidding! Just get the panel of the roof and place it on the floor, and we're trying to realign it together. So basically, you want to have this part facing the back and this part facing the front. One difference. And now we need to get the notch.
Hello, I'm the shed. guess we need to screw it now because it keeps trying to pop off. But just make sure it's all in from all angles. Looks good. Top tip, to stop it from popping off every 5 minutes, 5 seconds, put a bit of weight on the top. I have to take my cap off for this one.
So now it's time to secure the front of the roof. So what we have is 2 different screws. So we've got ADZ that goes on this side over here, and then the other one over here.
Is there meant to be a hole there?
It's supposed to be a self-driving screw. Okay, now you got that in place, it is time now to secure the lateral sides or the outer aspects of the roof with some more screws.
Lateral means outer. Ow, my head.
Now it's the fun part. We're going to start attaching the latch onto the door. Are you ready for this bit?
I'm not ready for this. Dun, 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 dun. I cannot do it, Captain. I don't have the power. No, you can do it. That's what quitters do. And you're better than that. Okay, I'll do it, Captain. Something like that, right?
Yep, that's the one.
Why are there no screw holes? I know why it's called a lifetime storage cabinet. Because it's going to take you a lifetime to figure out why there's no holes. Thank you for the love and support, little one.
Get me some food. I'm hungry and I want to pee. And take it up.
What do you want to say?
I know she doesn't have attitude, she's nice.
You know, it's a joke.
Oh, thank you.
Put it on the handle. You get 2 screws at the top. Boom, boom. 1 at the bottom. Boom. Big guys on the top. Little guys on the bottom. Know what I'm saying? Hey, looks good.
Yeah, might as well sign it up right now. Let's see.
But I think we should really tighten this.
Let's see what it says.
Or maybe you tighten it once it aligns with the other side of the door. I had it in reverse. There you go. Shed complete.
So come over here, Ash. And we've got apparently 2 divots that we need to drill with the drill provided, but you need to not go through the whole of the door, just partially.
We need to go in, but not all the way in, just slightly in.
Okay, so now you want to use your drill again to re-drill through the whole way of the door.
Alright guys, got some exciting news. It's now time to put the hinges on the storage cabinet.
Yay, we're almost there. Woo!
So they have hole indents. I've learnt my lesson. I'm going to use the little drill just to make pilot holes. That doesn't sound right. So they do say use a drill bit because you're going to have to drill through the little bit of metal that we put through. However, I used the drill bit that they provided and it snapped straight away. So just get yourself a metal drill bit and do the pilot holes with that. Look at that, fully straight. That's because we have a level base. If you don't get this, you can always put in some little shimmies on the base to try shimming it straight. But I noticed something. I think I installed this the wrong way around, so I'm gonna have to flip this one that way so the lock goes around there.
You did it without me. Mean.
Don't worry, we still got to do the latch.
So the next step is to attach this frame onto the left door to give it some more support. You can see that it fits like this. So this is the flat side. And a tip to know where to put it on is there is a little knob here and there's a corresponding notch here. So make sure you rest it on that and then you can drill away. But what I would suggest is that there are some divots here where the screws go in, and I definitely would recommend pre-drilling it first before attaching this on.
So this bit of plastic is gonna hold this metal. All right. We're going to be putting on the latch. So this guy, boom, locks it up there. Down, up, down, up. And also got some good news. Now that this frame is installed, look what happens when we lock the door. Boom, boom. Oh. All right, guys. Hope you found this amazing shed. You know,
Cute
set up,
squirrel.
useful. I gotta say, it looks nice.
Does look nice.
Very, very beautiful shed. I probably in future wouldn't try painting it myself. I'm gonna do touch-up paint and fix it up, but yeah, just I think maybe just find the shed that
The
is
right
a color
colour.
that you
Yeah,
like, because this
definitely.
is way too much. It kind of interferes with it and all that stuff. Overall, you get a latch, you get a lock, you get double lock. You even get a bit of brackets to hang it on the wall in case it gets too windy in your area.
But for now, I think we just need to fill it up and organise our garage.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Some paint buckets are going in this storage container,
Storage
not shed.
container.
We already have a shed.
Yes.
Not our 2 sheds, just one.
Okay, so I hope you guys found this video useful and, of course, enjoyed the show.